Hi, so if you're new to my channel, my name's Colie. So today's look is this blinding look. So it's coming up to that festive season, which means a lot of you have been invited to work Christmas do's or just Christmas parties in general. So this is what I've created for you all. So follow along, try and do it yourself. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button and leave a few comments down below. Enjoy! So to start my Christmassy night out look, I'm going to go into the Style London palette, which is called Eaton Square, and I'm going to go into this colour right here using this brush. I'm going to pop that all on the lid. Just little dabbing motions. And then I'm just going to do the same with this line. I'm starting this with this basically because I want to make the eyelid all sort of one shade. So basically base coat. And pop it on this one as well. The tapping noise annoys when I tap it off, so I started blowing it off, and I think that annoys me more. Okay, so now they're all one shade. I'm going to change my brush to this one, and I'm going to go into this colour here. So I lied. I'm still going to use this brush, but I'm going into this palette instead. So I'm just going to go into, into this colour, this one, with this brush. I'm going to tap that all up in there. And I'm going to do like the outer corner bits. So I'm going to get right down into that bit there and tap it up. And I know I'm not really blending at the moment because I've got that much product on the brush. I'm going to do the other eye at the same time. And then I'll blend it out. And people say this palette isn't pigmented. Liars. Sorry if you're one of those people, but I find it's really pigmented. Right, and now I'm going to start blending it out just a little bit around the edges. And I'm going to pop on a bit more below it, just to get this bit, I don't know what it's called, that bit, really dark. Make sure I go funny this when you're tapping this part of your eye. Can feel my eyeball bouncing and I don't like it. Can you see that? It's like so weird. Anyway, go on with what we're doing. Right, and now I'm going to go into the colour. I'm not going to bother wiping off my brush or anything because all I'm doing is blending them together. So now I am going to go into this one, this pretty little shade with the same brush. My voice feels like it's going really croaky. And I'm going to pop that sort of about there and just coming over a bit more. I'm not that bothered about it being on this part of my eye either because we're gonna make that sparkle. Cause it's coming up to Christmas. Why not? We all need a bit of sparkle in our lives. So I'm just sort of blending these two colours together as I'm going along, in case you can't see that that's what I'm doing. I'll best let you know. Now I'm going to swap up my brush, going for this one, you can see it, a bit better there, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going into this shade here. That works better, tap it off in your hand. I'll have to remember that one. And I'm just blending this into the other shade that we just popped on. Not bringing it too far into the corner as well, because I've got some more colours to go yet. I think it's how many colours can you fit on your eye? Sort of tutorial this. They're all similar shades, so it doesn't really matter. I'm not going crazy. And now I'm going to swap up my brush again because I'm going into a lighter shade, and I'm going to go into this one right here, and it's sort of like a rosy gold colour. I'm going to start bringing this down, but not, right, to explain it, not into the inner corner, but to about here. That's where I want to bring it to. I do love this little palette though. It's pretty and the shades are lovely. So if you are wanting to buy a new palette, pick this one up. I'll leave a link for it down below. And now I'm going to go into this one here, and this is going to go in my inner corner. I'm going to bring that right down and blend it up right into the tear duct as well, and underneath. Same on the eye. So now I'm going to go into the Mannakadar Beauty Diamond Dust in Enchanted, and I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's how it's said now. And I like this, it's a little roller ball, so little roller ball. But I'm going to pop this on the outer corner and bring it in a little bit. And then I'm going to use my finger and I'm just going to tap it out a little bit just to blend it in a touch. And then I'm going to go into the Makeup Revolution Awesome Metals eyeshadow, and this is in Rose Gold, and I'm pulling out a trusty old sponge to do this because I've got nails on, so I find it hard to get my finger into it like I normally would. So I'm using a sponge, and I'm going to pop this sort of like a cut crease, but not in my actual, like, where you see it like hang in that bit. And then I'm bringing it just up to where we've popped that other gold colour, the roller ball. And then I'm going to do the exact same on the other eye. Don't seem to have picked up as well for that one. It's bugging me. There we go. So going back into the Style London palette, I'm using this brush. I'm going to start with the lightest colour first because I'm just going to keep on using this brush. So I'm going to go into the shade here first, and I'm going to pop this under my eye, just dragging it over. And then I'm going to go into this shade, and starting from here, I'm going to drag that over. And then going into the reddy colour, I'm going to bring it right from the corner and bring it down a little bit as well. Got a bit in my eye. So first I'm going to use the threaded twirl and curl my lashes. I hate doing this, I just envision every time we're chopping my actual eyelashes off. I get a proper panic, so it's so bad. Either that or nipping out like that, nipping myself. I think that's curled enough. And then I'm going to use my Thick and Fast mascara, and this is in Film Noir. And when I'm doing my lashes, I probably pull it from the root and then sort of roll it up and then go in zigzags afterwards. Just so I know I'm definitely getting a right good coat on them. And then I just zigzag with the bottom lashes. I don't think there's any other way to really do the bottom lashes. Let's moving furniture upstairs. And then obviously I'm going to do the same with the other eye. So guys, that's the finished look, and let me know what you think. Leave a few comments down below, and if you've not, don't forget to subscribe and click that like button. See you later!